Windows 10 Hidden Features That You Didn't Know, Part 1. Let's go! Scanning and removing virus in easy steps. 1. Go to search menu, type Run, then enter. You can also use Window keys plus R to run the dialog box. 2. Type MRT then click OK or enter. 3. Click Yes to run the software. 4. The Windows Malicious software removal tool will open. Click on the next button to start the scan. 5. Wait until scanning of viruses and malicious software is finished. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, follow, and subscribe to my Facebook page and YouTube channel at JTech. Once the scan is complete, the tool will display a report detailing any threats that were found and removed. Lastly, if any threats were found and removed, you may be prompted to restart your computer to complete the removal process. We're done. Thank you for watching.